I don't know how.
Don't touch anything.
What do I do? Just hold it?
Just hold it up.
Army things. Here.
Okay. Okay.
Ready?
Is it ready?
No, not yet. Blossom, love, Bob. I love you. A good and fair night. Goodbye. You've had a nice life.
I think it will go. Okay.
You'll burn into like one of my
It's rather splendid.
It goes or it go well.
Oh, yay! I was right. That
so
one's
cool.
pink.
Wow.
Okay.
Looks like a little gem.
That's so cool, and it's just going straight up. But the wind always carries it that way.
It's raining men, hallelujah, it's raining men, amen. I'm gonna go out, oh God, it's not what it looks like, I swear.
What are you doing?
I swear to God, it's not what it looks like, I swear.
Are you taking a video?
I might have been taking a video of me singing It's Raining Men with the baseball bat as a cane.
Oh! Oh!
Pretty.
We definitely disturbed somebody. Oh my God, I feel bad, but this is so cool.
It goes. And it puffs.
Whoa, that was so cool. I see fireworks. Whoa. Morgan, what if your pants catch on fire?
Shut up! She's still making a joke about that. One night I was wearing those silk pajama pants, and we were roasting marshmallows.
And ash fell on her pants, and they caught like on partial fire, and it was funny because she was going like this.
And I was putting dirt on it, and it didn't work. So finally, I'm just like,
Another rocket. That's nice.
Yeah, I hope this one's okay. It's not a broken one, is it? Yes. No.
Oh God.
whoa, that was
That's so cool. We're gonna kill someone in their sleep. I feel
you want to give when you're done.
I think by the time we're done with this, all of us are going to be deaf. Or like half deaf.
No, not really.
Dad buys a lot more.
No, I haven't actually. This is the most I've ever bought, but I had good reason.
This is so much fun. This is the first time I've ever really gone to a at-home fireworks show besides sparklers.
My dad goes all out.
Can you say something? Just like anything?
What, for your video?
Yes, because I like your accent.
Oh, okay.
We don't have an accent. We've been through this.
We don't have an accent.
Okay, so I have an accent, and
You have
we
a
both have an
lovely
accent.
Peter Piper picked a pickle pepper. If Peter Piper picked a pickle pepper, where's the pickle pepper that Peter Piper picked?
And she smells good.
Now, I must warn you, some of
And
these
she
things do
smells
go off on the
good.
ground.
What? Say that again?
I said some of these do go off on the ground, so stay right where you're at, really, for them.
I'll be
Well,
standing more back.
Nothing really happened.
They're loud, are they?
Rather close to the action.
Oh, 3? Oh, no, 2. Okay. Holy crap!
That's an excellent.
We're gonna kill someone. I can hear the ash falling into trees.
That didn't go off until it was all finished.
Can You hear the
Something
things
fell on
coming
my
down.
hair.
Yes, I can hear them.
Something fell on my hair.
I can hear it now.
We were on the pontoon, weren't we? We were all coming down on the pontoon.
Watching fireworks with my best friend.
I
Do you know what that commercial is? That commercial is, it's, I'm watching fireworks with my best friend, and then they booty bomb, and it's just like, oh, bam. It was really funny because it's a commercial for fireworks.
I think it's got the same song tune as picking rocks in the hot sun. I fought the law and the law won.
Just the same.
I fought the law and the law won.
Bam. Are you gonna like? This is gonna be.
I love
Oh, that was so pretty.
I want a blue one.
We're gonna watch how Ash is falling on us now. You ever going to like 3 at a time?
What are these now?
I like the ones that we got to hold. That's just be like.
Are they quiet ones? This is just pretty.
Well, we're looking at that right now, but I'm not sure how quiet it'll be. Well, let's see. This is the
Those are not quiet.
And they hurt my eyes.
Are they done? We're gonna shield you from the ash.
large box. The
Whoa.
Warm.
Okay, so now we're doing the grand finale, I think.
Oh well.
And find the
I want to
to light
swing
it.
while we
We'll see
watch
whether
the
it was
action.
worth its
Huh?
Money.
Want to swing while we watch the action?
It was bloody terrific. But it was about 25
Okay.
quid.
We can swing. Wait, I got it on this one.
Okay, but you have to help me on this one then.
Okay. Come on. Whoa. Oh, green. Whoa.
Wow.
That one was cool. Morgan, Ash just fell on my shoulder. That hurt. Is that all?
You hear it coming down?
Is that all?
No, I've got more small, but I'm not going to let any more off, I don't think.
One more, please.
I still want on, dude.
Oh yeah, sorry.
Well, I thought I might let the children try another one of those things.
Yes, that's so much fun. Wait, Morgan, we're gonna do the one shooting scene. Yes.
Well, Morgan wanted to. Okay.
Again, yes. Don't point.
Morgan, don't face the garage.
Yeah,
please.
you were firing them right into the garage. Darling, don't do that. Okay?
Bad news.
Am I holding the right end?
Yes, you are holding the right end.
Am I holding it? Yeah.
Go on, away you go.
I'll put this.
Yeah. Come this way. Let's go down. That's fine. Not into the woods, baby. Hold it up. Up. There you go.
Not above my head, though.
Ow! Ow!
Up.
I don't know.
Yours has gone out now. Trying to burn the bloody garage, huh?
Oh, that's it.
I love the smell.
At first, it all like came down on my arm. That hurt really bad. Don't worry, Mom. We're safe. Oh, we gotta light these. What's this one? What's that one?
Get away with it.
Yeah.
What's this one? No more?
No more.
There's a lot of cars all of a sudden going past.